back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Sienna Grace, and today I decided I wanted to show my fidgets. So this whole bag is full of fidgets and a few slimes, but mostly fidgets one. This has my name on it because I used to have it for dance, but then I don't remember what happened really. I don't know if I just dropped out or anything, but it doesn't really. Let's just get on to the video. So this is the bag. It's heavy. It says my name and it's filled with fidgets and slime, as you can see. So I wanted to show you guys all of them. This may take a few minutes or so, but yeah. So, sorry, I'm a little bit sick. Me and my family is, except for my sister, Stella. Go check out her channel, Stella Rose. And yeah, so sorry if I sound kind of stuffy or if I like sneeze or anything. But to start off, we have two poppets. If you guys don't know what poppets are, they're like these little things. They have bubbles in them. Sorry, my family's being loud. It has bubbles that you can pop onto the other side. There's one loud side. I love this side the most. Okay, so I have a yellow, like see-through one. Looks cool in the light. And then I have this blue one. It's teal. Sorry about my Christmas stuff in the background. I just didn't want to take it down yet. I really wanted to be Christmas again. But, so they're both the same. They kind of have a little bit different of a sound, but that's okay. So we have two poppets. I got them off Amazon. This is a DIY, oh my god, I keep dropping it. A DIY poppet. If my comments are on for once, maybe comment down below if you guys want any tutorials for any of the fidget toys. But yeah, it's really satisfying. This one's more of a poppet side, like a real poppet. This one's more of one that like has two layers of the stuff I use to make the poppet. Has like two layers that you can squish together and it makes like a sound kind of. Do you hear that? Yeah. But I like this side the best. It's like an actual poppet. Like, look. You can't see it because I have fingers. But, anyways. Next one we have is a squishy football. I don't like these fidgets, but it came with my fidget box that I got. And then, if you haven't checked out my video of the slimes, I showed you all the slimes. I'm not going to take it out, though, because I kind of want to go quick, because there's a lot of fidgets in here. But it's a boba slime with boba beads in it. I got it at the Five Below. And then we have this. The eyes are kind of fading, but I got it at Target for like $5. And her name is Berry. And I've had her for about a month or two. I think I got it in like December. Yeah, I got it in December. And she still hasn't popped yet, which is surprising. She's a really good, like, squishy, like, I'm surprised she hasn't popped yet. And then we have this slime. It's not purple because I mixed the two that I had together. I don't know where the other one's at. But yeah, so we have some slime. And then we have some blue slime. Me and my brother trade fidgets, so he traded me this. But yeah, so that's the blue slime. And then we have this pink and yellow mini snake. I got this from a fidget box, not a mystery box. This one is the most flexible out of all my snakes. I'll be showing you more of my snakes, but this one's the most like easy to move, and it's my favorite. I love the color so much. And then we have this red and white snake that goes like this. They're pretty much the same. You just like move it around and stuff. I like playing with these. And then we have a multicolor like wacky track. I like these too. you like move them around and stuff. And then this is a wacky track too, but I can't get it undone, but I use it and it snaps. So I think that's kind of satisfying, but it can also be hard too to move. And here we have is a mini Rubik's Cube. I have a bigger one. This is how mini it is compared to the big one. This one's much better, better duty. I don't know, but like it's much better and bigger and it's better quality. But my sister's gonna make fun of me for saying that word. But this is the mini Rubik's Cube and the big Rubik's Cube. I have more mini Rubik's Cubes somewhere in here. Yeah, sorry, it's hard to say it lots of times. I have a white Rubik's Cube. We'll find more in the video. Oh, here's the other slime one. Just has the same kind of slime in it. And then we have some yellow flarp putty. So yeah, we have that. Got some Five Below. My brother got it, then we traded. And then we have this rainbow marble mesh. If you don't know what it is, just a little marble in there that you can like push down. I like doing that. And I like doing this, like shaking it around. I have quite a few marble meshes, so I'll probably just show you some of them. Here's another wacky track. And then we also got, we have way more left. Hold on, let me show you. We have way more left. We have tons. Wait, we aren't even halfway through yet. We have a yellow and purple snake. On the camera, it kind of looks like pinkish. I don't know why. It's my window. But we have that. And then we have a basketball, baseball. I don't know if I have any more of these. I don't know though. And then we have a squishy. It's an emoji like croissant. I don't know, swirl thingy. I don't know. It's an emoji. It's like pink. And then we have an Orbeez stress ball. It's clear, but it's kind of hard to see with the window. And it kind of looks yellow on camera, but yeah. And then we have a green marble mesh. This is gonna be a long video, but I'll try to go faster. A little maze thing, which has a little ball that you can go around. We have a puzzle ball, which I don't like taking it apart. I just like rubbing it. It's really like smooth. We have a purple and white snake. We have, I have more monkey noodles, but I'll have to find them eventually. We have some monkey noodles. You can stretch them and stuff. Here we have is a pea pod. Sorry. A pea pod. It's kind of blurry, but it's a pea pod. Then we have a gummy bear, squishy bear slime. And then we have a dirty mochi. It's dirty. I have more of them, but we have some globbles. Here's some more of them. Sorry, I'm trying to go as fast as I can, so because I don't want to make this a long video. Like my other video was like 28 minutes, my routine. We have this fruit slime. They're all moved here because I haven't played with it in like a day. So they're all moved right there, but it's a fruit, yellow, clear slime. And then we have this I hate, but it still is kind of cool at the same time. It's a DIY, like, they call it a DIY dimple, I think. Yeah, so it's a DIY one. It still works, but I don't really like that much. We have this needle, which I don't know why it turned orange, but the needle stuff came out. So I just filled it with like some beads, and it kind of feels good. It has like air in it too, makes it feel cool. And then we have this like pokey puzzle ball. We have this Orbeez stress ball with like different colors. And then we have another Rubik's Cube, a mini one. We have this little squishy bead dog, foam bead dog. We have a pink Neato, a DIY Simple Dimple, yeah. So they have different names, but that's okay. Okay, we have pink and dark blue marble mesh, an infinity cube. It just keeps going. And then we have another globble. We have a soccer ball, fidget spinner. We have this bead thing. It's just like a DIY fidget. You can just like play with them. We have this from like a pop can. It's like a DIY pop it. It doesn't really work though. I don't really play with it. Strawberry Neato. A green Orby like DIY stress ball thing. This texture pad. We have some spike balls. I have more of them though. Globble. Another snake. We have this orange slime ball. We have this pea pod, which is like frozen. What the heck? It's so hard to push. And then we have a DIY tangle. Fidget spinners. Fidget spinners. Oh yeah, this video is so long. We have more globbles. I got like a 16 pack, I think. We have a squirrel mochi. Another one of those snap things. We have this, which feels really cool. And then we have a DIY pop-it thingy. It doesn't really work though. We have a water timer. We have more spike balls. We have, okay, I'm not gonna say this right. I know it already. Oh no, it's stuck. Hold on. Okay, they're like finger, I don't know what they are, but I like to call them hedgehog like things. I don't know. We have this like DIY DNA bowl that has like marbles in it, like these marble things. We have another tangle. We have a yo-yo ball thing. We have a small DIY tangle. We have a ball that you can like squish like that. We have a bike chain. We have more bike chains. And more bike chains. We have a fidget spinner, marble mesh, this guy that you can stretch. We have another spike ball, mermaid, monkey noodle, owl, bead foam thingy, globble, fidget spinner, pea pod, and 2 other spike balls. So that's it for all the fidgets. Sorry, this is a long video of just showing all my fidgets. Oh yeah, there's so many, so many fidgets. I'm gonna have to clean this up in a little bit though. But sorry, I'm not feeling the best, so I might not be posting, but I'll try to. Yeah, so I'm gonna, these are all away, but I'm gonna end the video here, or else I'll carry on about just talking as well. But I'm gonna end it here so you guys don't have to hear me talk and put this away. But I hope you guys have a good day. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get a notification whenever I post a new video, which I usually post 2 times a week. Not sure exactly. Sometimes 1 a week. It's about 1 to 2 things a week. Sorry, my neighbors just turned on this thing. Okay, anyways, bye guys. The